Okay, is this on? Yeah, good. I have this around 1 hour to work, so let's see. Random, yes. Organizing word. So I will be just organizing this, I think. Categories, that's fine. But the idea is to make this more understandable if someone were to just get this whiteboard and no context. They would figure out what's going on. So right now, yeah, this is not clear. So let's see. Okay, I want to, so this was left. Yeah, here. My goal. Yeah, so this is pretty good. I like this for now. Reasons. It bothers me in deep level. I don't trust current system, people in power. Or maybe I just want to, or how and why things are like they are. Tasks, this is completely other thing, so let me put them there. I will start making videos, so that's make videos. Okay, I could just do this instead. I think how I should do this is I will have the categories, then in each category I have that data, and then in each category I have their own tasks. So these are two of my tasks that I know I will do, but here I don't have anything. Self-improvement, I think, yeah, IRAC will be there. I think I will separate that from who I am. Streaming setup. My setup is already there. Let's take these here. I guess, yeah, I can just leave it. I'll leave the information this category. Because I'm trying to improve myself from this. Yeah. This is explanation. Make videos. Wait. This is my thoughts and proposals to others interested. No, I think this should be here. Yeah, these are these belong here, where I explain what's my plan, what is my life work. So these should kind of cover all of them as well. So yeah, this is its own thing. My setup, what's the order here? Yeah, I can switch them around. So now it's there, and this, I guess, yeah, it's my setup. All of it. Yes. Okay. This must be the worst time to stream. No one is watching YouTube at this moment. Or I could make it easier. So these are my suggestions. What I need to do is start creating areas. Frame tool. What is this? Ah. Can I now? Okay. Nice. Yes. Exactly like this. I can change that. I'll just take hold of this. Okay, good. So I will start making frames to make it easier to understand. I'm open to suggestions. Okay, and I guess I can do frames inside frames as well. No, okay, I can't. Okay. Opacity. Oh, interesting. Send back. Duplicate link. Link to what? Canvas background theme. Ah, yes. So okay. Examples of what I could do, what I have thought of. What I have thought of that I could do. I think all of these are examples. What I'm planning, I would like to yes, okay. What technology enables democracy? Could there be some improvements there? So this community of open public collaboration with easy navigation between streams. I'm thinking about how I could, or it would be great if there was a feature that I could add some information to these sections. I could paste what stream I created this and what time. But yeah, I don't think there is any easy comment. So I guess I can make any of this link. As I go forward, I will keep reorganizing this many times. So maybe right now it is kind of okay to just do it. Just do this quickly. So not to think about too much because all of this is unclear. But now if I were to write this, okay, now it's kind of annoying. Examples, okay. I think it's easier to understand. So there are these sections. Yeah. Oh, and maybe okay, let's start the timer. Didn't even think about that. Let's see, can I position it correctly like that? Yeah, it's not important, but yeah, let's add this. For now, maybe, yeah, focus on just I'm just focusing on trying to make this as clear as, or put everything on their sections, and then little by little I will improve these one by one. Maybe this shouldn't be a shape, but rather just text. Yeah, I don't know. Now I can take these ones. Videos. I need more water. Okay, phone is in charger. My setup. Let's delete that. Streaming setup. So first frame will be covering my physical and or my PC setup. Yeah. PC setup. Wait, no. And of course I will make this better, but for now, let's keep it this way. Maybe I could add this there. Ah. Okay. virtual desktop driver, excalidraw, obsidian. That's an idea, yes. Streaming setup. Ideas, what is this? I have a script that I can easily just change the current topic and also create a log where I have all the topics I've created. Come up with good information to show on the sites, have the time in UTC format. So I already did both of these ones. They are not perfect. I would like to develop them further, but yeah, maybe ideas I make there, put there. And let's see. So streaming setup, main scene. What is this break scene? It's just the same. Until I make that. Not just. Streaming setup. Just do OBS Studio. Main scene, break scene, video watching scene. Nice. Description. So this is not streaming setup anymore. That's on YouTube. And there I was just explaining my current system. No need life work. What is this? That was okay. Thumbnails. Maybe I could. Yeah, let's keep it. Example size. Example size meaning how large the text need to be on the thumbnail. At least. So then I have YouTube. Let's create a frame. Would this be okay? So if I color coded them. Well, let's keep it there for now. This is or belongs here in the streaming setup. Let's first group it. Then Let's make this bigger. I should have left the script text that I script that I can change the category topic easily. Just quickly put that there. And let's make right. Profile, of course, here. Thumbnails. After stream. Let's see if I can all of these there. I should speak louder. I think I haven't watched the streams that I have made enough to get an idea how they are. If I should change anything there. Let's try to keep this as tidy as possible. All right. Good. That was that. IRAC. This will be very large frame, I think, and it could include just my overall thinking process. Who I am. Wait, this is not XXL. Let me just quickly see if this makes any sense. I think I should try to group these, make them their own sections to make it easier to understand what's going on. With 6 I could create a divider. The structure practiced. Yeah, I think that's okay. Self-improvement. What did I write on the videos I will make? So let's. Should I make that frame as well? Maybe not. Wait. This is a frame. Okay. Let's make it a frame then. Okay. And things I want to improve will. Okay. Who is calling to my Wednesday? Someone is bringing free newspapers or advertisement. Unfortunately for them, I won't open the door because then they will remember, hey, that apartment opened the door last time, and I'll just keep calling them. But yeah, now this has been organized a little bit. How much time do I have organizing board? 40 minutes. To be honest, I don't feel like organizing more. But because I already started the timer, I need to continue on this topic. So I guess let's go here. This is the most important part. First, let's make some space. My reasons. It's too bad that I can't make the font size larger. Yeah. So this definitely has some limitations. 4 different font sizes is not that great, especially when they are not that far apart from each other. Let's remember to save. Main goal. Main goal is not right. My goal. I want to see people happy and trust that the world will go and keep going to a good direction. Developing democracy globally. I could put here why. I think I'm using medium. Just question why. Why is this my goal? And this would be my reason. Bothers me deep level. I don't trust the current system, people in power. But of course, there is a bigger explanation. But okay, I will write that here at some point, just larger text, if someone were to or was interested about this. I think I have explained them, some of the streams. I just need to understand how and why things are like they are. These are my reasons for this. And then why democracy? Okay, let's not do that. This is organizing board. Can I organize this better? Well, okay, this part I can. So let's see examples of what I have thought of that I could do. I could make it easier. Wait, examples of what I've thought of that I could do. I don't think this is the best sentence, but okay. I could make it easier for everyone to help. What kind of global or local communities there are? this needs an explanation. I could make it easier for anyone to help. What do I mean by this? Okay, if I continue, so why I will add maybe to do. Okay, this does belong here, but it still needs that to do. Could it be? And this also should probably just go here. Do I need more space? Kind of. Hmm. Ah, okay, this is how I can make them bigger. But I guess when it comes to, yeah, these shapes, that's limited. Good to know. So this I could just, yeah, still feel like this. I think these two need to have titles. Or I can just make it. Is it too? To have too many sections here? Perhaps. Of course. Because this is not. Huh? Wait, is it not Control Shift F? G. No? What is it? Ungroup. Control Shift G. uh, why does that open some Xbox? AMD software. Don't say that. Okay. I already changed the settings, but apparently not. Okay, here. This should do it. Okay, good. It worked last time, so it's weird that somehow it just enabled them again. Not nice. Like this. Okay. Mm. I could create solutions. It could be an app. Fine in the beginning. It's not very clear. I could create solutions, meaning yeah, this definitely needs to do. What? Okay, I think for now this is fine. Yeah. Then this. I would like to help develop the future constantly. Future Futures constantly improving vision. And here again, what do I mean by this? Ah, I'm planning to cover, that's okay. And just random example. Then the last one. Ugh. Okay. Let's try to keep this as tidy as possible. There. Yeah, doesn't help. No, even larger. Good. This will just continue to be larger and larger. Okay. Yeah, that's enough. Fine, I guess. Mm, can I just all of this? Good. Nice. This is important. Current setup, font size small. No, needs to be way more clear. And then I think this should be current setup, other. What possible setups? And of course, explanations to this, what they mean. Current setup. Screen setup. That's better. Ah. Okay, that went nicely. Mm. 7 minutes left. Is there something that's more important than others? What I will do is I will just create this. I at least do make it very clear. It's roughly there. This is life work. My setup. Self Okay, nice. I don't like this frame. Why does it need to say anything? Can I just do dot? Okay. Small things. The random dots. So now I might not know what is the what are frames and whatnot. Who am I? My philosophy. What am I doing with my life? Mm, yeah, these are very just some pretty random things. And let's try to keep this small as possible. Let's remember to save. Okay. Streaming setup, YouTube. This could be just a little bit bigger even. That's better. Okay, I think starting to look much better. Virtual display driver. So yeah, I will explain what kind of PC I have, all the components, keyboards, mouses, Quest, the software, the screen. I will make a separate section just for the screen because it involves the virtual display driver, and I also have a physical drawing tablet that I can use as a screen, but I'm not using it very often. And yeah, at least two different setups. Okay, I won't explain this further. Okay, let's see here. Again, improve. No, I don't have time. 10 seconds. Okay, this has been just reorganizing. Dismiss. And I will be saving this. Share, export link, copy link. I should be able to, let's see, save. So now it's saved on the stream, and yeah, now I will end. I guess.